Day trading is the practice of buying and selling financial instruments within the same trading day, aiming to profit from short-term price movements. Success in day trading hinges on quick decision-making, a deep knowledge of the stock market, and a meticulously crafted trading strategy. A solid trading plan is essential for consistently successful day trading. When exploring day trading, it's important to consider the types of stocks you might trade. Penny stocks, for example, present unique opportunities due to their volatility, which can lead to significant gains. However, they come with their own challenges. For a detailed look at trading penny stocks on NASDAQ, check out this in-depth guide. Day trading on Webull. Is it possible? Yes, you can definitely day trade on Webull. The platform is equipped with numerous tools and features designed for day traders, such as advanced charting options and margin trading for leverage. However, it's crucial to understand the pattern day trader (PDT) rule, which limits you to 3-day trades within a rolling 5-day period in a margin account unless your account meets the minimum equity requirement. Getting started with day trading on Webull. To begin day trading on Webull, the first step is to open a trading account. After setting up your account and depositing funds, you can start exploring Webull's features. The platform supports various trading strategies, from scalping to swing trading. Select a strategy that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Remember, the essence of successful day trading lies not just in the individual trades, but in the strategy behind them. If you're considering making day trading your full-time job, be aware that it requires a different approach and a comprehensive plan. For those contemplating a career in day trading, this detailed article offers valuable insights. Key features of Webull for day trading. Webull provides an array of features tailored to day traders aiming to profit from short-term market movements. The platform's advanced charting tools and user-friendly interface are accessible via the Webull app, making it convenient for on-the-go trading. One important feature to note is the pattern day trading rule, which can impose restrictions on your trading activity if not carefully managed. Webull also offers diverse investment options, from stocks to currencies, allowing you to tailor your investment decisions to your preferences. From my experience in trading and teaching, mastering your platform's features is crucial for achieving positive results and minimizing losses. Day trading limits on Webull. Webull imposes specific limits on day trading, particularly for margin accounts. These limits are based on your account value and are designed to help manage risk. Trading hours on Webull. Webull offers extended trading hours, enabling you to trade before the market opens and after it closes. This feature can be advantageous for capitalizing on price volatility. Day trading buying power on Webull. On Webull, your day trading buying power, DTBP, in a margin account is 4 times your cash value. This increased leverage comes with higher risks and necessitates careful position management. Advantages and disadvantages of day trading on Webull. Day trading on Webull has its own set of pros and cons. The platform's robust stock trading tools, including real-time data from various stock exchanges, make it easier to execute trades and make informed decisions. However, the risks are also higher, especially for newcomers. Awareness of potential losses is crucial for every trader. When comparing Webull with Robinhood, both platforms have their strengths. Webull often appeals to those seeking more advanced charting capabilities. Advantages of trading on Webull. Advanced charting tools, zero commissions, and extended trading hours. These features can benefit day traders aiming to maximize their profits. However, there are also drawbacks, such as the pattern day trader rule and the risks associated with margin trading. It's important to carefully consider the pros and cons before starting. Webull day trading fees. Webull offers commission-free trades, but it's essential to be aware of other possible fees, such as margin fees if trading on leverage. Always read the fine print to fully understand the costs involved.